Hello kids again. Now please take your our word books and your notebooks, please. We will start new grammar topic here. Actually, it is not new because we have gone through with this grammar point on our spin books. It is present passive again. We are lucky that we are checking present passive again. I'm going to repeat here. Okay. Listen to me carefully. I want to remind you that please, if there is anywhere that you didn't understand from the video lessons, take notes. On Friday we will have Zoom lessons, so you can ask me whatever you want through the Zoom lesson. Okay, I will answer all your questions. If you like, we can have the lesson in Turkish if you don't understand, and of course I'm doing the lessons in English, but if you need, sometimes I will reply your answers in Turkish too, okay? Because it is very important for me to make you understand all the lessons that we have done so far, okay? It's very important. Please take notes. Please ask me when we have online lessons, okay, dear? Thank you. So, look here. This is grammar part. Did you open your notebooks? Okay, so I will first teach here. Then you are going to write this part on your reading writing notebooks. Okay, for spin lessons, please use your spin notebooks. For my lessons, please use your reading writing notebooks. If you don't have any separate notebooks, because you have to have, but if you don't have, you can use one English notebook for all English lessons. It's okay, I accept that, because the the condition that we are in is not available these days, so it's okay for me, just for these days. Okay, when we go back to school, I won't accept the same notebooks. Go. Okay, as you remember, I taught you present passive. Present passive means that the object is more important, okay? Or if you don't know who the subject is, who did the action, we use passive form. For example, here, read this sentence. Insects are attracted to the plant's sweet smell. Okay, who did this? Who attracts insects? No, we don't know it. Okay, who attracts? We don't know. So we don't put, if we don't know who did the action, we don't know the subject, we use passive form. Or if the subject is also important, like the object, we use by. It is like I gave the same example while I am teaching this grammar topic on spin book. For example, you go to a movie. Okay, after the movie, there are some writings. Okay, they say the film is directed by Spielberg, or the book was written by J.K. Rowling. Who wrote the book? J.K. Rowling. But here is the book is more important, not the author. Or here the movie is the most important, not the director. Okay, so that's why we use passive. In a sentence, the thing that we put at the beginning of the sentence is the most important thing. Okay, so passive means that, you know, the objects or the movies or the books, they are not alive, they cannot act anything. Okay, that's why we use passive form. The books, the movies, and all the other things that are not alive, okay, if we put them at the beginning of the sentence, we mean that they are important, and the people who made them, who did them, they are less important. Do you understand me? Okay. Look at this sentence. In this sentence, the seeds are the most important. Okay, the birds carry them, but the seeds are the most important. That's why I am using this, the object, at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, do you understand me? Are you sure? Okay. So we can use passive form with positive sentences, positive, affirmative, they are the same, with negative sentences, and also in question sentences, also with the WH question words. Okay, how is the insect trapped? In this sentence we don't have any subject, we only have the object. Okay, the fly is caught inside the closing leaves. There is no subject here, we don't know. The most important thing, what happens to the insect, the fly. Caught is the second and third form of catch. Okay, so after listening, please write this part. Your title is grammar, or you can say present passive. Please write this on your notebooks and listen.
Track B5. Grammar. Insects are attracted to the plant's sweet smell. The seeds are carried away by birds. How is the insect trapped? The fly is caught inside the closing leaves.
Okay, you can stop the video and write this part. Of course, you have your books. You can write this part by looking at your books. This is your homework for the weekend. Okay, so read and complete the sentences. Okay, we are going to write the sentences here. I made it bigger to make you see. We are going to complete the sentence according to present passive. What we are using for present passive: am is are, and verb 3 if the verb is irregular. If the verb is regular, we are using ed. Did you see? Okay, so I'm going to write here. So number one is done for you right here. Yes. Or we can go past this part. Okay, I'm going to do this with you. Sorry about the delay. Let's do it together. Like the things that I have been struggling in the classroom. Pollen, blah blah, take to other plants by insects. Pollen is taken. Okay. Number 3, the seeds are carried by birds. Okay. The seeds are carried by birds because this is plural. Number 4, plants. This is the object. Plants that eat insects. Plants that eat insects are found in the rainforest. And number 5, many new plants. This is plural, so we have to put are discovered every year. Okay, I know you won't be able to write it. Okay, I'm going to write it for you. So notes. Number 2. For number 2, we are going to write are taken. Number 3, the seeds are hear it. Number 4 is plants that eat insects are found. And 5, many new plants are discovered. Okay? Did you write? Okay, you can stop the video if you like. And the next example, number 7, read, underline the correct word. Underline the correct word. Number 1 is done for you. Socotra. Socotra, this place is Socotra. Okay, Socotra is located in the Indian Ocean. Many strange trees, blah blah, are found or are needed here. Many strange trees. Many strange trees. I'm deleting this part. You can stop the video and write them. Many strange trees are found or needed. Are found. Okay. One famous tree is attracted or is called the dragon blood tree. Attract, get the attention. But we want to know the name of the tree, so this one is called for the famous tree. The name of the famous tree is the dragon blood tree. Okay. It is used or it is found to make paint and medicine. From this tree we can make medicine and some paints, some dyes, okay, some colors. So it is used. And the desert rose is used or is found in the desert in Socotra. This is place, this is location. So for the locations we use find. So it is found, because with the present passive we use emizar when verb 3 or verb ed. It has beautiful pink flowers. It is shaped or it is found like an elephant's foot. It looks like elephant's foot. It is like elephant's foot. So can we say found? No, we want to define the shape of the tree. So we say that it is shaped. Okay, please write this, please underline this. Okay, your homework is this part. Please write this part. Okay, and let's go back. Sorry, let's watch the video.
It's a dangerous world, even for plants and insects. Some insects are attracted to sweet-smelling plants.
Yum!
Some insects are attracted to smelly plants.
Ooh, rotting, smelly meat! Delicious!
Some insects are tricked by plants.
Oh,
This plant smells sweet, too. Uh-oh! Oh, no!
Some insects are eaten by plants. But not this plant. This plant is eaten by insects.
nice video. Okay, for today is enough, I think. Next week we will see each other again. So if you don't understand anything, please take notes. You can ask me on our online lesson. Okay, bye for now. See you. Lots of kisses and hugs.